this is why I wasn't going to do anything today. I was just going to sit in my jammies and eat and watch YouTube. But something happened that made me kind of excited, so I guess I'm going to do a video for you guys.
So what happened today that got me excited? I just had the fastest sale I have ever had on Poshmark, and it has got me over the moon excited and motivated. So I decided to at least pull my hair back in a ponytail, wash my face, and get on camera for you guys. Welcome back if you're a subscriber. If you're new here, my name is Angie, and I do videos on topics of life improvement, fitness, thrifting, nutrition, selling on Poshmark, selling on Mercari. Pretty much anything that I can share with you that I think will help improve your life is fair game. So today we're talking about making a sale on Poshmark. Every month I sit down and I write out some goals for the month. Business goals, personal goals, you name it, just whatever I decide that I want to focus on that month. This month it is November of 2018. This month my goal is to get my YouTube subscribers up to 100. So here's the ask. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I had a little boom yesterday and I got up about 15-20 subscribers, so that had me pretty excited anyway. But then another goal I have this month is to get my Poshmark listings up to 50. That just basically means I have 50 items for sale. So yesterday I went thrifting to find some things to sell online, and it was a meh day. It wasn't too eventful. I didn't find a lot of great deals. I didn't find a lot of stuff, so I wasn't going to video it. But this morning I got up and I unpacked the 4 things I bought. I know, tiny haul. And within an hour, one of those items sold. Y'all, that's never happened to me before. It sold and I basically quadrupled my money. I'm not getting rich. But since I am trying to pay off debt, every little bit helps. So I'm going to show you the stuff I bought yesterday and tell you which one sold. So the first thing I picked up yesterday are a pair of really nice blue jeans. They are Ralph Lauren, and they are a size 10. They don't feel like they've ever been, or look like they've ever been worn before. So yesterday was Green Day at Goodwill, which means anything with a green tag was half off. So I did get these jeans for half off, which made them a very reasonable price. So I got these listed this morning on Poshmark. By the way, my Poshmark closet is Doodle Turtle. I would love it if you would scope it out and make me an offer. We'll work something out. The other shirt the other thing I found is a shirt. And I'm going to do a video called Problems with Selling on Poshmark. And the number one problem is I want to keep everything. Isn't this the best tank top? This is Lucky brand. It's a size small. It's got these really pretty beaded embellishments. The back is a racer back. It's nice and flowy. And I want this so bad. It was also a green tag item, so I got it for half off. And this is one of those things where I'm having to watch my little brain, because I'm a big believer in whatever you think is what happens. So in my brain, I'm like, well, if it doesn't sell, I'll keep it. But no, that is not the point of this game, to make my closet more full. The point of this game is to get other people great deals and me make a little cash in the meantime. So I do hope that sells, but if it doesn't, I won't be heartbroken. Yet another one that's tempting me. I bought this Lucky shirt. Again, Lucky brand, size small. It's got some really pretty, I called it in my description, eyelet detailing. You know, kind of like an eyelet lace. I don't really think that's what it is, but I couldn't think of another way to describe it. It's ombre and it's printed and it's a little bit of a burnout t-shirt. I think this is awesome. I really like blue. So this is another one of those where I'm like, oh, I could just put this on and wear this today. And then when it sells, pack it back up. But I love this. It caught my eye. And again, it is one of those that, yeah, of course, I hope it sells. That's my goal, right? It was half off. I hope it sells. But if it doesn't, it's not going to hurt my feelings if I get stuck with it. I try to buy things that I do like, because I think if your closet is full of things you like, then your customer can see your style and your vibe. But I also don't want to be stuck with 50 million things that I can't wear if something doesn't sell. So like those jeans, I can't wear those. Those are too big for me. But they're a really nice piece, so I'm okay with it. And I think those Lucky shirts will sell too. I'm kind of thinking somebody might bundle them up and buy both of them. If you're interested, comment below. I'll hook you up. And then the fourth and final thing I bought yesterday, this reminded me of my teaching days. It is something that I would have worn to school. It is a Calvin Klein faux wrap dress. Okay, so it's kind of hard for me to hold it up and show it to you. But it's about knee length. And it's got that faux wrap detail. Faux wrap detail. And it does have the tie in the front. Y'all, I'm doing a terrible job of showing you this. But I think it's beautiful. I've not tried it on because I was afraid if I tried it on, it would stay in my closet. And, well, darn. My thrifting adventure yesterday would have resulted in a dress and 2 shirts for me instead of going on Poshmark to meet my 50 items goal. So I listed those 4 things this morning. And then I ate lunch. And then I hopped back on the app. And I... excuse me. And I already had an offer on one of those items. The offer was fairly low. I had the item listed at $25. The offer came in at $10. I don't get offended by lowball offers because I think when you price stuff online, you need to price it high enough that you can negotiate. You know, with Poshmark, there are fees. And with Mercari, generally you pay shipping. So you want to price it high enough that you can handle all those fees and still be able to negotiate with your buyer. I just got a phone call. I've never had a phone call while I was recording. So I don't know where I'm going to have to edit this. I had the item listed for $25. I got an offer of $10, which I would have still made profit on for $10. But I like to counter offer. I feel like it's a game. We should play this game. So I countered $13. I was like, you know what? This will be my fastest sale ever if I can get this sale. The seller accepted, and within an hour of posting, I had made a sale. I made a nice profit. Now, granted, of the $13 that it sold for, I only pocket $10 after fees, but I'm getting $10 for an item that I did not pay that much for at all. So which item do you think it was that sold super fast? Do you think it was the Calvin Klein dress? Do you think it was the Lucky t-shirt? The Lucky tank? Or the Polo Ralph Lauren jeans? Well, if you guessed the Calvin Klein dress, you are a winner. I am just stunned that that dress sold that quickly, which tells me I probably had it underpriced, but I like a quick sale. I don't feel like I want to wait around to make a lot. I would rather make a quick sale and make a little. So when it's all said and done, I made a little over $8 on that dress. I'm not getting rich, guys, but that's $8 more than I had 2 hours ago. So it's a good deal for me. So if you're like me and you got a little bit of free time and you spend your days going through Facebook, just, you know, scrolling, piddling, or you're going through Instagram, Poshmark and Mercari are great ways to sell stuff you have on hand, great ways to make extra buck, because instead of jumping on Facebook and doing nothing productive, I jump on Mercari and I share my stuff and I interact with people, and it's making money. I'm going to do another video soon on what is sold on Poshmark, and by no means am I an expert, but I'm loving the little paychecks that come in every day. Yeah, they're little, they're tiny, but scrolling through Facebook is not getting me any money, but playing with Poshmark is making me money. So that's what happened today that made me want to shoot this video for you guys. If you noticed, I didn't even get out of my pajamas. You know, I did pull my hair up, I did brush my teeth, but I'm still wearing my pajamas. So, you know, I love you guys. I'll put a link to subscribe here or somewhere, and maybe another thrifting video over here. You know, they've got all these cool pop-ups. I don't really know how to do it all yet. So I hope you have a great day. I would love it if you'd thumbs up and subscribe. Stay strong, you guys. Bye.